Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that why this my Lexus cars remote wireless key it won't and it don't work. That what is issue in that things, why my Lexus car is not working. Okay, and now I will tell you that what are those tests and how you can repair these issues. Okay, first best test is that normally if we have issue that we can't open our car's door and our car it won't start. There is thing that battery is bad, or then these buttons are bad, or in sometimes this inside computer and this circuit board is damaged and cracked. But let's test. If you think that you have issue, firstly test that you can see the small red light in here. This is test number one. Look, that one we have to test, that we can see that there is this light. Let's go to look closer. Okay, and when you press these buttons, look that you can see this light. This is mandatory. Press all buttons, and then this final is trunk door. And if you notice that you don't have this light, then you can right away think that now this my key is bad. And firstly, let's do this battery replace. I will show that next, and then we can test that again. And if this issue is still in there, next part is that we have to go to reprogram this our key in this Lexus or Toyota dealership center. They have tools that they can test and reprogram this small keys inside area. And then we have final, the most interesting key, this credit card key in Lexus cars. And there is situation that sometimes this key becomes also bad. And there is issue in same way like in here, that there is battery inside in here, that area. And this is empty, this battery. And we have to replace that. And this remote key is a little bit difficult to notice that there is issue, and that's we have to replace this battery and then test how this works, because in this key we don't have any buttons in here, and that it is difficult to repair these things.